Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth Dikshit. My roll number is 21BT30027 and I have made a 3D printable hexagonal twisty vase using FreeCAD software for my DIY assignment 1. So before we begin, let's have a look at it. So now I'll tell you how I made this flower vase. So first I started off by creating a new document and then I went to part design and I created this hexagonal polygon and I set its side length to 40 mm. Then what I did was I created three more datum planes and in which I copied this hexagonal polygon and I just adjusted the degree that it had with the x-axis and I also adjusted its edge length to give its twisted shape. Then as you can see that I have also added additive loft to create this whole shape and to join the various hexagonal pieces, and I also added the fillet feature for its edges as you can see here this, and then I also added thickness to create its depth. So that's how I was able to create this flower vase. And now let's move to the Cura software and let's see the printing side of it. So this is here. So when I first created this flower vase, so I wasn't getting the exact printing time. It was taking 1 day and 8 hours. So then I set this X to in slice, I set this X to 100 mm. And now let's slice it and see what's the printing time is. As we all can see, it's 5 hour 19 minutes. That's well within 8 hours as was given to us by our instructor. Now let us look at the print settings. If we move, we can see that the infill density percentage has been set to 15%. And we can see the rest of the print settings here. The profile, it's fast 0.2 mm. Now let's preview the printing process layer by layer. Now we start. So now we can see the whole process, and this was it from my side. So thank you. I hope you liked it.